Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about what is BI, different BI tools available in the market, what is Power BI, and different components of the Power BI. So, before starting into BI, one should know why exactly we require a BI tool. Okay, so for that I have a sample data set here. Just by having a look at this particular data set, I need to find the order ID which is having maximum order amount or the total number of orders placed on a particular date or in a particular month. Those can be achieved, but it will be consuming lot of time. Okay. So whenever I convert this particular tabular format data into a beautiful insights like this, it will be easy for me to make my decisions quickly just by having a glance at these particular visuals. I hope by this time you have got an idea on why exactly we require BI. So now coming to what is BI. BI is a set of process which converts the tabular format data into meaningful insights such that business users can take the decisions quickly. Next, we have stages of BI: collection of data, data cleaning, reporting or visualization, and decision making are the four different stages of BI. In the very first stage, we will collect or gather information from different sources and store them in the form of a table or a flat files. Whatever the data we have collected will not be readily available for making or building visuals. For that, we need to make some cleaning and shaping of the data. After applying necessary transformations upon the data, we will try to build reports such that business users can have a look at these reports to take their business decisions. So moving to next part, different BI tools. Power BI, Locker, Tableau, Zoho Analytics, and ClickSense are the different BI tools available in the market. For the time being, we will discuss only Power BI. So what is Power BI? Power BI is a business analytics solution or a tool which is used to develop the reports and share those reports across the organization. Okay, and this tool was developed by Microsoft. In Power BI, we have three different components. First one is Power BI Desktop, next one is Power BI Services, and Power BI Mobile View. Power BI Desktop is an application used by the developers to build the reports, whereas Power BI Services is a web-based application where developers publish the reports developed by them and end users view those reports. Power BI mobile apps enables end users to view the reports in their mobile devices. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel.